Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to enable dark mode on TikTok. TikTok has yet to release the in-app dark mode for Android devices. Even if you scour the internet looking for it, you won't get any info about the existing of such a feature. However, there are some indications that some beta testers did get the dark mode on their Androids. Although that may be true, if you install the app from Google Play, you won't find any dark mode options. Considering that TikTok recently released dark mode support for the latest version of iOS, Android will get its own soon. Clearly, patience is the name of the game here. Unlike Android, TikTok did add dark mode support for iPhone and iPad devices. You can use the in-app switch to turn dark mode on or off, or you can do it using the system settings on your iPhone or your phone. First, open the TikTok app on your phone. Next, tap Me or your profile. Then tap the More button in the top right corner. It is the one that looks like 3 horizontal lines. Tap on Settings. In the Content and Activity section, tap Dark Mode. And you'll see the options to use either light or dark mode. Tap Dark Mode. As soon as you tap Dark Mode, the app's interface will immediately switch to dark mode, and that's it. Now that you have set the TikTok app to follow your system settings, it is time to enable dark mode on your phone. On the Settings app, tap Display and tap Dark Mode. Once you do that, your phone's entire appearance will change to dark mode. If this process seems cumbersome for you, there is also a more convenient way to switch between the modes. And that's all. I hope this video helped you guys. For more videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. See you again.